Hello tool lovers, welcome to my channel. Don't skip this video because today we're showcasing 20 new woodworking tools on Amazon you should buy now. From smart gadgets to powerful upgrades, these tools can save time, boost precision, and level up your workshop. Stay tuned till the end to discover must-have tools every DIYer and pro will love. Woodpeckers in-DEXABLE Miter Sled. The Woodpeckers in-DEXABLE Miter Sled combines cross-cut sled stability with precise miter gauge control for highly accurate angled cuts. Index positive stops lock common angles, 15 degrees to 60 degrees, for polygon shapes, while a laser engraved acrylic window enables infinite custom angles. A micro-adjustable flip stop ensures repeatable cuts, and the patented leaf spring miter bar fits standard slots snugly. The 15 by 15 inch Baltic birch sled, adjustable from above, features a graduated aluminum fence, 18 to 31 inches, an optional drop zone, off-cut table for safer, efficient cutting. Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Set. The Massca Twin Pocket Hole Jig Set M2 is a durable portable woodworking solution for drilling strong, concealed pocket holes quickly and accurately. Its dual hardened steel drill guides allow simultaneous twin hole drilling, while the innovative cam action clamp secures both jig and workpiece effortlessly. Adjustable for 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inch material thickness, it features a built-in depth stop for precise joints, a dust collection port for clean work, and rugged construction combining glass-filled nylon and aluminum. Perfect for cabinets, furniture, and frameworks. JessEm Sword Squares. The JessEm Sword Squares are precision-crafted T-squares combining durability, accuracy, and unique workflow features. Patented flex grip technology prevents slipping by focusing fingertip pressure, while retractable balancing tabs ensure stable contact with boards. Dual-sided laser-etched markings support both imperial and metric measurements, and integrated scribing notches enable precise layout lines. Built from 301 stainless steel blades and anodized aluminum handles, these squares achieve 0.002 inches accuracy. Available in 4 sword lengths, from the 6-inch dagger to the 24-inch claymore, for every woodworking task. Festool DTSC 200 Delta Sander. The Festool DTSC 200 Delta Sander is a powerful, single-handed cordless tool designed for precision sanding in corners and edges. Its integrated LED light ring reveals imperfections instantly, while the ECTEC brushless motor delivers quiet, consistent power. Ergonomic design with low vibration ensures comfort during extended use. Features like a carbide-tipped pad brake, triple-use sanding pads, variable speed control, cordless freedom, and smart Festool app connectivity make it ideal for efficient, high-quality woodworking and finishing. Massca Pocket Hole Jig System. The Massca Pocket Hole Jig System combines durability and precision for professional quality woodworking. Its heavy-duty aluminum body and hardened steel drill guides ensure strong, accurate pocket holes, while the adjustable depth knob accommodates wood from 1/2 inch to 1 1/2 inches. The built-in clamping system, magnetic quick adjust base, and removable jig provide stability and versatility. Additional features include dust collection, integrated measuring gauges, and in the M2 Pro model, stabilizing bars, stop blocks, and a T-track slot for repeatable, precise cuts. Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear Micro-bearing flush. The Woodpeckers Ultra-Shear Micro-bearing flush. Trim bit is a premium, American-made router bit engineered for ultra-precise work in tight spaces. Its tiny 3/16" micro ball bearings glide smoothly through sharp internal corners where standard bits fail. Built from fine-grained solid carbide with a shear cutting flute design, it delivers clean, burn-free cuts, minimal tear-out, and excellent durability. Ideal for intricate template routing, inlays, and detailed pattern work. DOVAMAN Sliding Miter Saw. The DOVAMAN Sliding Miter Saw is a versatile corded electric saw available in 10-inch and 12-inch models, both powered by a strong 15-amp motor. Its sliding rails extend cutting capacity for wider materials, while the built-in laser guide ensures precise cuts. The saw supports dual bevel and miter angles up to 45 degrees, features extendable side plates, an ambidextrous ergonomic design, and an integrated dust bag. The 10-inch model includes dual speed and multi-material cutting capabilities, making it ideal for DIY and professional projects. BORA Jobhorse Leg Brackets. The BORA Jobhorse Leg Brackets PM3310 are a versatile, heavy-duty sawhorse solution for carpenters, DIYers, and construction pros. Designed to work with standard 2x lumber, each pair supports up to 1,000 pounds. Foot-activated hinge locks and angled teeth ensure a stable, slip-free hold, even on uneven ground. The brackets fold compactly for easy storage and transport, while pre-drilled holes allow adding a sacrificial top. Create custom-length sawhorses quickly and securely for any project. HARDELL Mini Rotary Tool. The HARDELL Mini Rotary Tool is a compact, lightweight and cordless tool perfect for precise DIY and crafting projects. Featuring 5 adjustable speed settings from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, it handles sanding, polishing, drilling, engraving, and light cutting with ease. Its built-in LED light illuminates tight spaces, while a rechargeable USB battery ensures portability. With over 60 versatile accessories and easy bit changes, this tool offers exceptional control, precision, and convenience for detailed, intricate work. EZARC AW Blade. EZARC saw blades are engineered for superior performance and durability, crafted from premium materials like carbide, high cobalt bimetal, and chromium vanadium. Designed for a variety of applications, from precise woodworking to heavy-duty demolition, these blades feature optimized tooth geometries, variable TPI, and specialized coatings for smoother, faster cuts. With universal shank compatibility, EZARC blades fit all major saw brands, ensuring versatility across materials like wood, metal, PVC, and masonry. Arc edge and non-stick designs enhance cutting efficiency and blade longevity. WORX Circular Electric Saw. The WORX Circular Electric Saw combines compact, lightweight design with versatile cutting performance, perfect for both DIYers and professionals. Available in corded and cordless PowerShare 20-volt models, it features adjustable bevels up to 45 degrees for precise cuts. Enhanced visibility comes from LED work lights, laser guides, and left-sided blades. Safety is prioritized with an electric blade brake, safety lock switch, and spindle lock. Select models include EZARC technology for flawless straight cuts. A dust port keeps your workspace clean. PacTool Snapper Shear Pro. The PacTool Snapper Shear Pro is a drill attachment engineered for precise dust-free cutting of fibre cement backerboard and siding. Compatible with any 18-volt or higher cordless drill, it transforms your drill into a versatile cutter. Its 360-degree swivel head allows straight, curved, or circle cuts with clean edges, while durable reversible blades handle up to 20,000 linear feet. Designed for professionals and DIYers, the Snapper Shear Pro ensures safe, efficient, and accurate cutting with minimal airborne dust, keeping job sites clean and OSHA compliant. GOINGMAKE Table Saw Miter Gauge. The GOINGMAKE Table Saw Miter Gauge is a premium woodworking accessory designed for precision and reliability. Featuring a micro-adjustable flip stop, an extendable aluminum fence, and multiple positive angle stops, it ensures highly accurate crosscuts and miter cuts. Its zero calibration and zero fit miter bar provide effortless alignment and stability. Built from durable aluminum alloy, it combines strength with precision. Ideal for professionals and hobbyists alike, this miter gauge makes repeatable, flawless cuts easy, efficient, and reliable every time. Milescraft Track Saw Guide. The Milescraft Track Saw Guide converts a standard circular saw into a precision cutting system, offering all aluminum construction for rigidity and an easy align red cutting strip for splinter-free cuts. Compatible with most saws up to 7 1/4 inches, it features anti-slip strips and T-track clamps for secure placement. Expandable rails handle full 8-foot sheets, while low-profile design allows deep cuts up to 2 inches. Smooth operation is ensured with glide adjustable pads, making setup quick and accurate for professional quality results. KATA Door Lock Kit. The KATA Door Lock Kit is a complete, easy-to-use solution for installing standard door locks in wood or metal-clad doors. It features an adjustable U-type guide template with snap lock arms for precise door thickness and backset alignment. The kit includes durable carbon steel and M42 bi-metal hole saws, 1 inch and 2 1/8 inch, an arbor with pilot drill bit, and all necessary components. Ideal for DIYers and professionals, it ensures fast, accurate installation of most deadbolts and knob locks. NARBELL Orbital Sander. The NARBELL Orbital Sander is a high-performance corded palm sander designed for woodworking and fine finishing. It features a powerful 3.0 amp all-copper motor with 6 variable speeds ranging from 6,000 to 14,000 RPM, allowing precise control for different surfaces. The ergonomic lightweight design includes a shock-absorbing handle and soft rubber grip for comfort during extended use. Equipped with a 5-inch hook and loop sanding pad, efficient dust collection system, and a kit of 15 sanding discs, it ensures smooth, clean, and professional results. WEP Wood Burning Kit. The WEP Wood Burning Kit is a professional pyrography station designed for precision and versatility. Featuring adjustable temperature control from 200 degrees Celsius to 750 degrees Celsius, it allows artists to work on wood, leather, and more with exact heat settings. Select models include a dual pen design for quick tip switching, while ergonomic pens reduce hand fatigue. Kits come with extensive interchangeable tips, an integrated pen holder, and essential accessories, offering everything needed for detailed pyrography, shading, and creative projects right out of the box. BORA wide panel supports. The BORA wide panel supports are essential accessories for BORA centipede workstands, designed to securely hold wide panels during cutting and other tasks. Featuring a large 9 inches by 2.75 inches non-skid platform, 360-degree swivel capability, and a durable post that fits all centipede workbenches. These supports ensure stability, precision, and protection for your workpieces. Quick to set up and built to last, they provide a reliable alternative to clamps or brackets, making panel handling easier, safer, and more efficient. POWERTEC Tandem Featherboards. The POWERTEC Tandem Featherboards are essential woodworking accessories designed to enhance safety, precision, and control. Their angled fingers firmly hold stock against fences or tables, reducing kickback and improving accuracy. With universal compatibility for standard miter slots and T-tracks, plus a stackable design for taller workpieces, these featherboards offer versatility across table saws, router tables, bandsaws, and jointers. Made from durable yet flexible material, featuring ergonomic knobs and a reversible profile, they ensure reliable, adjustable, and safe operation for every woodworking project. YARDCARE Electric Chainsaw. The YARDCARE electric chainsaw delivers powerful, efficient cutting for both professional and home use. Available in corded and cordless models, it features high-performance motors, automatic oiling, and tool-free chain tensioning for easy operation and maintenance. Safety is prioritized with intelligent e-brake systems, chain brakes, overload protection, and dual safety switches. Ergonomically designed with soft grip handles and balanced weight, it reduces user fatigue. Versatile bar lengths and quality chains ensure precision, making YARDCARE chainsaws reliable, convenient, and safe for all cutting tasks. MANRAM Cabinet Clamps. The MANRAM cabinet clamps are durable, high-quality tools designed to simplify face frame cabinet assembly. They combine alignment, clamping, and pre-drilling in a single operation, saving time and effort. Featuring an integrated precision drill guide, protective felt pads, and a robust aluminum construction, these clamps provide strong clamping force while preventing damage to cabinet surfaces. With a 4-inch capacity, compatibility with styles up to 1 1/4 inches thick, and a portable storage case, they ensure precise, secure, and efficient cabinet installation.